Hey guys, if you hear the fan noise, that's just because my house is like a heat wave right now. Just for my face, sorry. Anyways, I got 3 little paper fan mail, and I'm really sorry not for the uploading. It's just yesterday, I was seeing my cousins and they had a lot going on, so I'm very sorry. And let's just get started with the first one. And the first one says actually my YouTuber name. Well, it says my mom's name. So, it says my mom's first name and my last name. Let's just open it. Okay. I don't remember when the last fan mail that I was, and they had taped this like a lot. I'm peeling off tape right now. It's a dog LPS, guys. It's a dog LPS. Thank you, whoever gave this to me. Second one. It barely says my name, but that's okay, because it says my name. So, I need to learn how to open this. Finger powers. Just tip. Okay. We got that settled. Now we will. I don't think this is another LPS. I'm assuming this one's gonna be another LPS. Just bring over here. And I'm falling. This one's very hard to open. I mean very. It's an LPS. I can see it. Guys, can you see that? It is an LPS right there. LPS. Oh my god, I think it's a kitten. 2 cats. And 1 dog. Just try to pop her out. Yep, it's a cat. LPS. Let's try to make her free. Okay, she is free. I got 3 new LPSs. They may all be used